Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about a specific type of probability known as theoretical probability. Now, in the last video, which I'll drop a link for below, I talked about probability in general, outcomes, events, sample spaces. The possible outcomes of rolling, say, a fair die or flipping a coin, those outcomes are equally likely to occur. When all possible outcomes are equally likely, you can find what's called the theoretical probability of that event using the following formula. The probability of your event, whatever it may be, equal to the following. The number of favorable outcomes over the number of possible outcomes. So, theoretical probability, it's the ratio of the number of favorable outcomes to the number of possible outcomes if all outcomes have the same chance of happening. Let's take a look at an example of using theoretical probability. Here it says a bowl has 12 slips of paper, each with a different name of the month. Let's find the theoretical probability that a slip selected at random has a name of a month that ends in the letter Y. So a month that ends in the letter Y. These are going to be our favorable outcomes. So the number of possible outcomes for this is going to be the number of months in the year, which is 12. And then months that end in the letter Y. So January, February, not March or April, May, not June, and then July. August, September, October, November, December are not counted. So here we have our favorable outcomes over number of possible outcomes. And again, like all probabilities, we can write our probability as a fraction, a decimal, or a percent. I'll keep them in fraction form, but because this is a non-simplified fraction, I'll go ahead and put it in lowest terms. And that's really it as far as theoretical probability goes. We're trying to find what our favorable outcomes are over the number of possible outcomes. Another example of this could be if I were to draw a slip at random for a name of a month that has the letter J in it. Let's work that one out. So months that have, or rather start with the letter J. So that would be January, June, and July. That's it, only 3. In that case, we have 3 favorable outcomes over 12, and this would be reduced to 1/4. Or 25% if you want to have it as a percent. That's fine too. I'll be writing them as fractions, but those are 2 examples of theoretical probability. Favorable outcomes over possible outcomes. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.